Hi friends, in the last video we learned how to assign different menu in different pages of your WordPress website. In this video we are going to learn how to create multiple menus in a very simple way. So in certain cases you might be needing to create multiple menus or a menu having bulk item, and as a developer or administrator of your website you always want to save your time, and creating menu always takes time. So this video is going to show you a simple solution how to create multiple menus in bulk, and that too with different URLs assigned directly to your newly created menu items, and how to create submenu and how to link the specific URLs to that menus as well. So for this we are going to use a beautiful WordPress plugin called Bulk Menu Creator. This is a very effective WordPress plugin which enables you to handle or create multiple menu in one go. You can create multiple menu items at once, and you can even create menu labels, and you can assign that particular menu items to the pages or post or specific links. Let us see how it can be done simply. For this we have to install Bulk Menu Creator at our WordPress installation. So just go to the plugin section, click on add new and search for Bulk Menu Creator. And since I have already installed this plugin, so it is showing active now. You have to install and activate the plugin, and this plugin Bulk Menu Creator has been developed by QuebeQ, and they actually make wonderful plugins for menu solution. In fact, I have seen one or two earlier development as well that works very fine. So let us go for creating multiple menu at a time. For this we have to go in the menu section, and since the plugin has been activated and installed, we have this new feature like menu item labels and menu item URLs. Now first of all we will create a new menu for illustration purpose. I am putting the name as new menu bulk and just creating this menu. Okay, so spelling is BULK. Okay, fine. Okay, so let us assume we have to create multiple menu with different URLs. So what we can do, it is item 1, another is going to item 2, and if you want to create a sub menu, just put 2 space and click on sub item 1, and again you can create a sub menu called sub item 2, and again you can create item 3, and next item 4, and now you can assign different URLs to these items. Let us see. It is going to be link 1. It will be connected to the item 1 link 1, and item 2 will be connected to link 2. I'll show you how it works. This is link 2, and here you don't need to put the space, you can simply click on, and if you are leaving this space blank, it will be created as hash. So I am leaving the row 3 and 4 blank for creating hash automatically, and I am putting link 3 and link 4. Okay, so we have created 4 menu items and we have inserted 4 links, including the 2 blank links for sub items. Now simply click on generate menu items and you will see the magic. Oh, it is really wonderful. All the menus has been created in a single click. So let us check the link. This is already a link 1 and navigation label is already assigned to item 1. This is link 2. Isn't it wonderful? Yes, it is really. And if we talk about sub item, is sub item and it is hash. So sub item is put on hash, and again sub item 1 is on hash and sub item 2 is also on hash. Since we left it blank, it is creating hash automatically. So you can change the link as and when you require this, and link item 3 is linked to link 3, and again item 4 is linked to 4, and it is great. Simply click on save menu. Finally, don't forget to click on save menu. In fact, now the wonderful thing is that we can even delete the items. So deleting the item from menu is always time taking, because we have to open the menu items one by one, and then we need to click on remove. So this plugin also gives you an ease. If you simply want to delete any particular item, you can simply click on this delete icon, and I am just deleting one sub item 2. Okay, and it is simply deleted. So again, I am not sure. Okay, let us refresh, and I was just willing to delete this sub item 2, and somehow it got deleted too. Okay, sub item 4 can be deleted. Yes, it is deleted. And it was really so simple. So you can simply create multiple menus with certain links using this plugin, and that is really going to save your time in a considerable extent, and you will really enjoy using this feature at your website. If you have to create multiple menu with multiple items, like nowadays website uses multiple menus like this. So you can see the items are multiple in this website as well. This is a demo website, of course, and sub items has also been used. And the best part of this feature, you can see all the links and a preview of this menu, this area. So this is also a wonderful thing, that while creating the menus in bulk, you can also preview the link in one go, so that you may check the links whether it is correct or not. So if we don't have this feature, we have to check the links going in the menu item itself, and it really takes time, and it may be a reason of incorrect link even if we are not focusing on the link items. But this plugin gives you that capability that you can see all the links while you are creating the menu in one go, and you can use this plugin for as many items as you want. So this is simply extension feature, and you can use any number of items here, so nothing is restricted. And the best part of this plugin, it comes absolutely free, and you have to pay nothing for having bulk menu creator feature at your WordPress website. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please thumbs up for this video, and I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please do subscribe. I'm coming with wonderful solutions and utilities for your WordPress website. And if you are having any question regarding this installation or this feature, you may simply write in the comment section of this video, and you can even click to the link given in the description of this video to get directly in touch with us, so that we may specifically answer your queries for making a better WordPress website for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building.